Hi everyone, my name is Jacqueline and I'm an instructor at the ASI Craft Center, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make tape art like this. So the things you're going to need are a blank white canvas, a paintbrush of any size, blue tape, and then a variety of different colors of acrylic paints, like this or like this. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so the first step is you're going to take strips of blue tape and lay them across the canvas to make different shapes. Next step is to pick one of your colors and start filling in some of the squares. Then choose your next color and start filling in some of those squares. With your last few colors, fill in the remainder of the shapes. Wait 10 to 15 minutes until the paint is dry, and finally when it's dry you can start to peel off that tape. Thanks for watching everyone, and that's how you make tape art.